Good morning, teacher. Our group is conformed by me, Maldonado Morales Sergio Estani, and my partners, Mena Garcia Julian and Ibañez Cano Christian David. We are going to expose walls, its function, and some examples of walls around the world.
Good afternoon, teacher. I'm going to talk about the world walls. These are very large walls buildings with the ability to decide and project and isolate on territories, kingdoms, and empires.
Good afternoon, teacher. The history. The bridges have been used since prehistory, with written high the Middle Ages, which sovereign casted and others from an extensive defensive line, as died China with the Great Wall. These are some functions that the walls filed in the Middle Ages, uh, defending, demonstrate the strength and independence and limits.
Okay, teacher, continue with the topic. The most known walls in the history are the Great Wall of China, the Berlin Wall in Germany, the Wall of Mourning in Israel, the walls of Constantinople in Turkey, and Gaza Strip. Okay, the Great Wall of China. It's actually the structures in wallet from the which were built to protect the China's states from the invasions by nomadic groups. Its construction began between the 8th and 5th centuries BC. It is said that the legend of this is 21 196 kilometers. As a serious data, they say that this is seen from the space. Okay, the Berlin Wall. Unlike the Chinese Wall, it was built not for the defense its territory but to prevent its inhabitants from the leaving the German Democratic Republic during the socialist time regime. Built in 1961, it decided Berlin into until November 1989. It was 3.6 meters high. It says that many people died trying to circumvent the wall and destroyed in November of 1991.
The teacher, the Wailing Wall is known as one of the most sacred cities and Judaism, and which consisted of the 6-meter long wall. This was located in Jerusalem Temple, destroyed by the Romans in the year of here. Ah, of here is it is said that this was built by the most destructive we all there is it.
The walls of Constantinople. The walls were created in order to protect the city of Constantinople in the 4th century. He wanted to protect his city from possible land and sea attacks. The building was reinforced in the next century. Thanks to these walls, it was possible to resist attacks from Mysians, Arabs, Bulgarians for more than 10 centuries. The next is Israel-Gaza barrier. The Israel Gaza barrier was first constructed by Israel in 1994 between the Gaza Strip and Israel. The barrier has along the entire land border of the Gaza Strip. And in the last, we put it because it's a proposal from the governor of the United States by Donald Trump, but it hasn't realized it yet. So the wall between Mexico and the U.S. it was only specifically created, how as I said, to prevent illegal immigration and drug trafficking to the United States. The current president considered that Mexico is the most used route to enter these elements into the United States. Thank you, teacher, very much.